How to make Vine Boom sound effects for your videos. Press New Project. Choose any video of your choice, and I'm still looking for a video. I am just using a random video for a sample. It's too long though because I'm still looking for one. Found one. Just drag it however you like to put the sound effect. Press this button over here. Then press the first option, called Split. It must be 1 second long. Then press Audio. Then press Extract. Stay till the end of this video so I can show you the sound. Press volume and put it up to 1000 volume. Warning: do not crop or the video will look like it's a different video. Optional: zoom the video in. Then go to Filters and search this BW3. Put it to 100. Results. Delete the ending. Let's get into the sound. So go to search. Search any of these. Shocked Meme sound effect. Or Vine Boom sound effect. I just use Shocked Meme sound effect because it looks like it's shocked. Click this video credits to the owner of the video. Thanks for watching this simple tutorial and bye.